Greetings to everyone on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will show how to configure proxies in the Mozilla Firefox browser. Open your browser and let's get started. First, you need to clear cookies, temporary files and history so that the browser with the proxy works correctly. In the browser, in the upper right corner, open the menu and select Library. In the menu that opens, you need the history, then clear recent history. Choose to delete everything and all the check marks should be active. Click OK. History is cleared and it's time to set a proxy. Click on the menu again and select Settings. Scroll to the bottom to the Network Settings section. Click on Customize. The Connection Settings window opens. Make active manual proxy settings. Your proxy input fields become active. If you use a proxy with the HTTP protocol, enter the IP and port of the proxy in the HTTP proxy field and activate also use this proxy for FTP and HTTPS. If your proxy had the SUX protocol, then enter the IP and port in the SUX host field, below choosing which protocol you have, SUX 4 or SUX 5. But let me remind you that free proxies that are available in the public domain are unsafe and unreliable. I recommend purchasing a personal proxy that will provide 100% anonymity and performance. Therefore, I recommend purchasing an excellent resource for this, Proxy-Seller.com. Get personalized 24/7 proxies that are ideal for serious work and provide reliability and anonymity at the right level. When you have entered everything, click OK. If the proxy that you entered is personal, then after you close the window, the browser will ask you to enter your login and password. And if it's public, then you don't need to enter anything else. Use it. Then, how to disable proxy in the Mozilla Firefox browser. Go to menu and select Settings. Scroll down to the Network Settings section and click Configure. In the window that opens, select No Proxy and click OK. Proxy in the browser is disabled. That's all. The setup is complete. If you still have questions about how to configure proxy in Mozilla Firefox, there is an article on Proxy-Seller.com in the blog section that you may find useful with step-by-step configuration. I will leave a link in the description. Subscribe to the Proxy-Seller channel and like. There are still a lot of useful tips that will simplify your work. See you soon.